Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear friends, I welcome you on the channel. I hope that you all friends are happy and doing good. Today's topic is common mistakes non-Urdu speakers make. You all are knowing that Urdu is one of the most beautiful and poetic languages of the world. But if you are learning it as a non-native speaker, you might be making some common mistakes without even realizing it. So in this video, I will be talking about 3 common mistakes what the learners make if they are non-native and non-Urdu speakers. So my friends, without any delay, let's start this video with a beautiful stanza of Faiz Ahmad Faiz, the poet of justice. मताए लौहो कलम छिन गई तो क्या गम है, मताए लौहो कलम छिन गई तो क्या गम है, कि खूने जिगर में डुबो ली है उंगलियां मैंने, और ज़बां पे मोहर लगी है तो क्या, कि रख दी है हर एक हल्का ए जंजीर में ज़बां मैंने. So my friends, let's come on the topic here. We will discuss 3 common mistakes what non-Urdu speakers make. The first one is related to pronunciation. Urdu has sounds that do not exist in English and in many other languages, like qaf, ghain, toy, etc. People say qamar as qamar. That is incorrect. But the correct pronunciation gives it a completely different poetic feel. The second mistake is using wrong helping verb. Like, I'm going to market. People say, मैं मार्केट जा रहा है. मैं मार्केट जा रहा है. I'm going to market. But it's grammatically incorrect. The correct sentence is मैं मार्केट जा रहा हूँ for male and मैं मार्केट जा रही हूँ for female. Third one is translating literally from your language. Let's take an example. People say that I miss you as मैं तुम्हें मिस करता हूँ. Though it's widely understood, if people say in Urdu, मैं तुम्हें मिस करता हूँ, it's widely understood. But the correct poetic and traditional way is तुम्हारी याद आती है और मुझे भी आप दोस्तों की याद आती है, जितने व्यूअर्स सब्सक्राइबर्स हैं उन सबों की याद आती है मुझे. And in the last, I would like to say that making mistakes is not a failure. It is like a step forward in learning. Every little error brings you closer to Urdu speaking beautifully and confidently. So my friends, this was the video. And now I will meet you in my next video. Till then, take your good care and stay connected to the world Urdu lovers. Bye for now. Khuda Hafiz.